Hello students, today I am going to discuss about instrumentation in mass spectroscopy. I hope you have seen my earlier video lectures on mass spectroscopy. Common mass spectrometer consists of sample introducing system, the ion source, mass analyzer, ion detector and amplifier recorder. This is the block diagram of a mass spectrometer. Sample introduction is through inlet. It passes through source and then to analyzer, then to ion detector and data system, and then it is recorded in computer as mass spectrum. This is the instrumentation diagram. You can see the sample is passed through ion source and electron beam falls on sample. When the electron beam falls, it is converted into a positive ion and it is passed through slit to accelerator plate, and then it is passed to electromagnetic velocity sector and it is separated by electric field, and then it passed to magnetic field where it travels 180-degree path and then it passes to the detector. Only ions of right mass can enter the detector. After detector, it is recorded in the computer as a spectrum. So, sample introducing system. The sample is placed in ionization chamber either as part of ion source or coated on filament. There are two types of sample introduction: internal sample introducing and external. In internal, spark electrode and filament coating are used. In spark electrode, if sample is ionic compound, analyzed by fabricating spark gas electrodes. Filament coating. Sample coated on filament when heated gives positive ion. In external sample, introducing Knudsen cell is used. High melting in organic materials studied by introducing in a furnace. The gaseous molecules from furnace close to ion source allowed to pass in ionization chamber. Now, ion production. Ion source. What does ion source do? It converts molecule into gaseous ions. There are two ionization techniques for ionization. First is electron impact ionization technique and second is chemical ionization technique. Electron ionization technique. It is an ionization method in which energetic electrons interact with solid or gas phase to produce ions. It was the first ionization technique developed for mass spectrometry. In EI, the probe tip is located near to a heating element. The advantage of EI is extensive fragmentation, giving rise to a pattern of fragment ions which can help to characterize the compound. This is the EI technique. In this you can see these are the sample ions and electrons are ejected from this filament and it is trapped by anode. The positive ions are passed and accelerated to the accelerator plate and it then passes through the analyzer. I have taken another diagram for this so that you can clearly understand. This is the vaporized sample. This is the vaporized sample. This is ion repeller plate. This is electron trap and this is heating element. Positive ions are released here and it will pass through the accelerator plate to the analyzer. Now, description of EI source. An electrically heating element produces thermal electrons which are then trapped by anode. These ions are withdrawn by the electric field which exists between repeller plate and accelerator plate. The energy of the electron beam is controlled by potential on anode. If energy of electron beam is low, production of M+, that is singly charged, takes place, and if energy of electron beam is increased, it knocks out second electron producing M2+. Now, chemical ionization technique. In chemical ionization technique, a reagent gas such as methane, isobutane, ammonia is allowed to pass into ionization chamber at a pressure of 10 Newton per meter square. This gas is ionized by using electron with energies up to 300 electron volt. Example, I have taken methane. When it strikes electrons strikes methane, it gives CH4+. This CH4+ radical cation, when gives one H radical, it forms CH3+. The CH3+ collide with neutral molecules and CH4+ also collide with neutral molecules and it forms CH5+. CH5+ acts as a strong acid and protonates the sample. The sample M plus CH5+ gives M plus H, that is quasi-molecular ion, which is having M/E value 1 unit more than true molecular weight. So this was chemical ionization technique in which we get peak at M/E 1 unit higher due to M plus H quasi-molecular ion. Now analyzer, the ion separator. The part of a spectrometer which separates ions according to their masses is analyzer. It possesses following characteristics. First, it should have high resolution. Second, it should have high rate of transmission of ions. Several types of analyzer in use. First, sector analyzer. Second, quadrupole analyzer. Third, quadrupole ion trap analyzer. Time of flight analyzer and Orbitrap mass analyzer. Now, I have taken quadrupole mass spectrometer analyzer because it is most widely used and it has several advantages. You can see in the diagram, the focusing of ions after acceleration from the ion source is affected by quadrupole mass filter, where they are separated according to mass and detected by an electron multiplier. These are the 4 quadrupole mass filter, and the rods are tungsten rods. These rods are tungsten rods. This is electron multiplier and it passes through the detector. About quadrupole mass analyzer. Focusing of ions after acceleration from ion source is affected by mass filter, where they are separated according to mass and detected by electron multiplier, as I have earlier said. The mass filter consists of a quadrant of 4 circular tungsten rods which focus ions by oscillating with variable radio frequency field. What are the advantages? Display of mass spectrum is linear in quadrupole mass spectrometer analyzer. Advantage in gas chromatography combinations. It can scan up to 1000 AMU but do not give rise to metastable ions. Now, last part is ion detector. Ions separated by analyzer fall on detector where they are detected and measured electrically or photographically. An ion current flows that is amplified and ultimately converted into a signal that is processed by a computer. So, this was the instrumentation of mass spectroscopy. The mass spectrum is recorded by using either an oscilloscope, a chart recorder or a computer. So, I hope you have understood the instrumentation clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you.